Hello, today I'm going to be running you through the key features of our Philips 3000 series multi-cooker. The first thing that is unique to this unit is that we have a gentle steam release. So instead of getting that volcano of steam that comes out of a pressure cooker, with this unit here you get a really gentle waft of steam, which means that you don't have to use the wooden spoon to tap the pressure off. With this, you're totally safe. That goes on to the second point, which is the 18 safety mechanisms. I think there is still a lot of fear around using pressure cookers or multi-cookers around a small family. At Philips, we've incorporated these 18 safety mechanisms. One of them, for example, is you can't open the lid where you're gaining or releasing or there is any pressure in the unit. We also have the addition of child lock to know that you're completely safe with little fingers around. When it comes to a multi-cooker, oftentimes people say, I cook the same thing. The great thing with this unit is that it has up to 35 different cooking methods or preset functions. So you've got things like fried rice, yogurt, jam. The list is really endless. So it is more than just making your one meal that you always make. And to get some inspiration, I'd really recommend that you visit our Philips NutriU. Philips NutriU is an app where we have hundreds of recipes for all of our products, but we have ones on there that have been specifically designed for this product here. The final thing is the capacity. This unit has a 5-litre capacity in a non-stick bowl, so it's definitely enough to feed your whole family. This is our wonderful Philips 3000 series multi-cooker, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.